So, we're about to do something amazing, wonderful, brilliant, if I may say so myself. I'm at advanblack's Pomona facility, and I'll show you. So here's all the stuff that you want. All different colors, all different shapes and sizes and all that. So tour packs and fenders and front fenders and all that wonderful stuff. It all gets packed up here in California and goes out that dough to your house. I was like, they have two facilities. They actually have the one next door because they're growing so fast that they're going to need more space. So next door over here is a disused, empty warehouse. And Alan and I are walking around. I'm like, this is a great place for a burnout. And he was like, let's do it. So let's do it. Yeah, you got it. I came all the way to California to do a burnout in a warehouse. Not my rental, of course. There are rules. I asked Harley and Eagle Rider if I could do burnouts, and it's discouraged, especially since there'd be video evidence. So I'm gonna use Alan's bike. What do you think? We ready? Yeah. I mean, it's a nice bike. That's what you do, man. You take a beautiful motorcycle, you heavily customize it, and then you let your fat idiot friend from Florida come up and tear it up. So let's do this. So this bike feels like more like mine. I just want to thank you for letting me take a couple miles off your tire.
It's okay, I'll send a bill for you.
That's a good looking bike, man. I like your bike a lot. That's cool. So you just did the fang fairing, which I'm just calling out.
I just did it yesterday.
That's really cool. And the chop bar and all that. So thank you for letting me burn your tire off a little bit. The smoke is hanging in here. There's not, ventilation's an issue. So there you have it, and there you are. You can, in fact, do a burnout inside a warehouse if you're properly motivated and have friends that will help you do stupid shit in their building. So there's more being done while we're here. I figured I'd just upload this while we're out here, but look for stuff we're gonna do professionally with like real camera people riding and doing awesome stuff. But from advanblack's Facility B, don't do this at home. I should say that stuff. Love you all to death. Take care of each other. We'll talk real soon. Prologue. When your buddy lets you burn out his tire in his warehouse, he makes you work on his bike.
That's how you pay back.
Experimental new stuff. Bag lights going on the bags. And here I am going, okay, I guess I'll help.
We just dropped these lights on the website today, and now we're putting...
They wrap around. Oh, you can't see the bags backwards. So it's like they run here. There you go, pick that up. And they go around to the side. And it's a brake, stop, run, turn, and the turn is yellow. So and those are on the website today?
Yes, we just dropped it on the website today.
And you just dropped your bag too?
It's sequential.
Yeah.
And it changed to amber color.
They're cool. They're cool. We just tested them before we put them on. We'll do a thing. So that was not the end of the video. We'll show these. Okay, now we can be done with the video after we smoked your tires. So let's turn those on. All right. Cool. So it's these lines we just added. They wrap around the bag. Right turn? Hey, look, the right one goes. I was so waiting for us to hit right and like the left one go.
Hold on. Looks okay?
Oh, you put the hazards on. That's cool.
Nice.
I like how
They're not crooked, right?
No, they're not crooked.
Okay.
They're straight.
All right.
They're straight because you did it. If I did it, they'd be all over the place.
Tracking.
Gonna check right turn?
That's the left.
That's left, yeah. Right.
All right.
Cool. You're seeing flicker in the video and it's not. It's the LED stuff.
Let's do another burnout.
Now there's more lights. It'll be more lit while I do it. Okay, now we're done with this video of a quick check-in at Advan's warehouse. As you can see, I said, if I come over here, can I steal some shit? And he said, yes. And he said, anything you want. And then I got here and he said, as long as you can fit it in your pockets. That's not things a friend do, but whatever. All right.
Pretty good sized pocket.
Now we're making fat jokes. I love it. All right. Love y'all to death. Take care of each other. We'll talk real soon.